Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the structure of atom. We have already seen two theories on this. One is Dalton's atomic theory and another is J.J. Thomson's atomic model. Today we are going to see Rutherford's model of an atom. Dalton has actually found out atom is the indivisible and indestructible particle of an element, which is having the all properties of an element. But it proved to be wrong because we found out that atom consists of at least two particles. One is negatively charged electron and another is positively charged proton. So J.J. Thomson proposed another model. This is the negatively charged electrons are embedded over a positively charged sphere. This is what is proposed by Thomson. Now this was accepted and was for a few years nobody disputed this, but because of an experiment done by Ernest Rutherford, which is known as alpha particle scattering experiment, a new change came to the structure of atom. So I am going to share you, if I now you can see a picture which is showing the Thomson's atomic model. So this is the atom model proposed by the J.J. Thomson. So this colored, orange colored or red colored area is positively charged sphere, and over this negatively charged electrons are embedded. So something like a watermelon. So here the red area is positive charge and the seeds are like electron. So this was proved to be wrong by an experiment conducted by Ernest Rutherford. So he produced alpha particles in a chamber. So this is called as alpha particle emitter. This he made to fall on a thin gold foil. Why he selected thin gold foil? Because gold is a particular metal which can be made into very thin foil. So he made a gold foil and made this alpha particles to fall on that gold foil. So he found the alpha particles are getting scattered in all directions, and some he found returning back towards the source. So this is possible only we have a central positively charged area, because alpha particles is also a positively charged particle. So if there is a central positively charged area that can deflect, because like particles deflect each other, so it can deflect the alpha particles which are falling on them. So keeping this in mind, he proposed the model. So he proposed that a central nucleus is inside here, which is containing neutron as well as proton. Protons are positively charged particles, neutrons are chargeless particles, and these electrons are revolving around the rotating around the nucleus in a elliptical path. So they circular path. He proposed this circular path, but his theory had a drawback, because when the particles are circulating in a circular orbit, due to centripetal force, they get accelerated. So they move towards the center, and because center is a positively charged area, electrons are negatively charged particles, they will tend to fall inside the nucleus, which is not happening. So this is a big drawback, which was later explained by Niels Bohr. So my dear students, today what we have tried to learn is a recap of Dalton's atomic theory, a recap of J.J. Thomson's atomic theory, and also what is Rutherford's theory. So these three things we have seen. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.